We're on a train again.
We love a choo-choo.
Where are we going this time?
We're going to the magical place of Watford.
Watford Junction.
Beats anywhere we've ever been to before.
I'm going to guess where we're going.
Currently going past a place called Hatch End.
We're nearly there. Is this the next station?
It's like the fastest train I've ever gone.
Next station.
Watford Junction.
We're going to Harry Potter Studios.
Let's go, I'm going home.
You're going home. I think it's going home.
In here,
We're here.
You may have to pay a penalty fare.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff.
Does that mean I can speak to you?
Police. The scenic Watford Junction. Up there with like New York and Toronto, isn't it? And Australia, you know, Watford. Magical place.
How does it feel to be home?
You're a wizard, haven't you? We're flying.
We're flying. Forbidden forest. Where's the spider? We're going on Hogwarts Express. It's almost time.
many security?
Loads. What was that?
Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Time has come to an end again.
Ooh, that was a big one. Whoa. Yours is bigger.